In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Jamaican plantain roti. I'll be using about half of this. So go ahead and take the skin off. So what we're going to do, we're going to try to cut this up as small as possible. You can blend this, but it's personal preference. What we're going to do, we're going to get a bowl. Get yourself a bowl. We're going to put the plantain in. We're going to use a fork and try to soften this up as much as possible. So that's half of plantain already crushed. Now we're going to go in with a cup, 1 cup of flour. We're going to use about half a teaspoon of salt. We're using 1 spoon of butter. 1 spoon oil. And I'll be using 100 ml of warm water. So I'm going to use a spoon just to start because water is a little bit warm for the touch of the hand. So go ahead, combine all of this. If you see that it needs a little bit more water, feel free to add some more to it. Or just go ahead, combine everything together. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take it out, put it on the board, put the rest of flour on, and we're going to slightly knead it. You're going to knead this until it gets soft. So I'm going to let it sit and relax a bit. So now this is relaxed. So go ahead. And I'm going to cut it, thinking about 5 pieces. Get yourself some flour. What we're going to do, just go ahead and start to roll them in a ball shape. So over on this side, I have my pan on. So I'm going to let it keep on till it gets hot enough. So now I'm going to roll this out. I'm using my marble rolling pin. It's a little bit heavier. Get the job done. because the plantain in this, make sure you keep as much flour on it. So just take your time with it. Bit more flour on it. This is gonna be lovely. To let you know, guys, if this is the first time you're watching this channel, you're very welcome, and I'm happy to have you guys. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave positive comment. As you can see, this is the texture you want. When you take it up, it's not cracking. That's what you want. So now we're gonna put it in our pan. Just go ahead, put him down. I'm gonna increase the flame a little bit. On the other side, I'm just continue rolling out some more until that is ready. You see what I'm looking for, guys? You see these bubbles? You know, you're making roti. You have to have that bubbles. Otherwise, it's not roti. So we're all on the right track. Just stay tuned. Thumbs up the video. Like, share. You know, hit that subscribe button. It's all happy days. What I'm gonna do, just check the bottom of this. Oh my, wow, wow, wow. No, this is real. Look at that. That's what you want. I'm gonna flip it over. Look at that. You flip it over like so. So that's what you want, ladies and gentlemen. Reduce the heat a bit. And then we're gonna get some butter. Yeah? Let's get yourself some butter and put over it. Nice and soft when you finish with it. You know, you can eat it with some curry chicken or some jerk chicken. You know, this is all good, all lovely. And nice. This is like perfect. Nice and soft roti. Cooked to perfection. You know? Ladies and gentlemen, this is exciting. I hope you are excited as I am. This is gonna be nice and fluffy. Look at that. You know, some real plantain roti. Look at that. Flip him over again. You flip him over again. Give him a little bit of butter. You know, give him a little bit of butter. And this is gonna be keep him nice and soft. Turn him back over again. Look at that. Look at that. That's what you need. So we're gonna keep repeating the process. You know, make sure you add a little bit of butter on him. You know, keep him a little bit soft. Soft and nice. Telling you, this is the best Jamaican plantain roti ever. Anyone will ever have. I'm not talking in one country, in the world. Best plantain roti ever. So just repeating the process.